Hey guys, welcome back to DelfStack. This is how to delete search engine in Chrome. So, first thing is of course open up your Chrome into your Windows. And now over here, you just simply select the three dots on top right corner of the screen. Now over here, you just simply go ahead and go through the settings into your Chrome. Now, over here, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select over here on the left side of the screen, search engine. So go ahead and click on it. Now, over here, you will have your default search engine over here. And if you want to change it, you will just simply select this one. Or if you want to manage all of your search engine, you just simply select this one. Now, over here, as you can see, you will have the search engines over here. Now, I have multiple, and of course, the Google will be the default one. And in order for you to delete a search engine, you just simply select the three dots over here. You can make it a default, or you can just simply delete it. And you will have this pop up, and just simply select delete. And now from here, you can delete as many as you can, and you will have site search as well. And down below, you should be able to see inactive shortcuts as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.